Hello, my name is Samantha and I'm a current university student. I'm 19 years old and I'm in my second year of kinesiology, and I would love to be a tutor for your company because I love working with students. I love seeing growth and improvement. I know for myself that when I had tutoring help in school that it really helped me get to where I am today because of it, and I would love to work with any kind of students that would like to work on multiple different subjects because I really think I could help them improve their grades, their study skills, their habits of when they're studying, and all of that. So I do have some current experience with tutoring in high school from ages grades 10 to 12 when I was in school. And I'm also a dance teacher, so I work with kids of all levels from the age of 2 all the way up to adults. So I have a good experience working from a range of different ages. And today I'm going to do a little lesson in biology. Let me just share my screen. Okay, so today we're going to just be going over the digestive system and an overview of its structures, its functions, and we're going to label some different structures. So the first way that food will be ingested is through our mouth. So the function of the mouth is the beginning of digestion. So first you eat a piece of food, and that is when the whole digestion process begins. Then as it travels down, it moves into our stomach, which plays an important role in helping break down the food, and there's a bunch of different molecules and enzymes that will help us so that we can further digest it. So we can write molecules and enzymes, and also muscles to break down food. And once it's gone through our stomach, it can then pass into our small intestine. And this is the first of the intestines, which will help the body absorb different nutrients from the food we're eating. So this would be absorbs many nutrients from food. And lastly, after the food has passed our small intestine, it moves into our large intestine, and this mainly absorbs the water from anything that we've eaten, and that will be absorbs water. And that's basically the basic path of the system that food will undergo as we've eaten it and all the way till it's eliminated. So you could say that the overall function would be to break down food into smaller substances that our body's cells can absorb and use for many different processes. Biological processes. And so to help us identify where these structures are, I've placed some labels on this diagram. So if we want to label these in order, so that would be number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. And if you want to annotate where things are, this would be number 1, our mouth, number 2, our stomach, number 3, small intestine, and number 4, large intestine. So I hope you learned the basics of the digestive system, and I hope you enjoyed this little lesson. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.